Hey everyone, my name's Bblonde. I'm a blonde specialist based in London and have been colouring hair for over 12 years. The biggest struggle that I face every day is trying to achieve the perfect blonde for all of my clients and their different hair types. But luckily for you, you don't have to learn how to colour everyone's hair. All you have to know is how to colour your own. So I'm here today to offer some tips and tricks on how you can achieve your perfect blonde. So today we have Emma, and Emma has been growing out her balayage for over a year. So today I'm going to show you some really simple at-home techniques that you can use using our Maximum Blonding Highlight Kit. So today I've chosen to use the No. 2 Highlighting Kit. Now in this kit you'll find your powder lightener, your cream developer, your shampoo, a bowl and brush, your highlighting cap, and a pick to pull through and isolate the hair you want to colour. And just because I love it so much, I'm also using the J-Plex Bond Primer to help protect as it lifts. So now that our powder lightener's in the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and mix in our developer. I'm going to pour the whole amount in and start mixing. And just for some added protection, I'm going to use the J-Plex Bond Builder, and I'm going to add about a generous teaspoon. So now the cap is fully secure. Obviously, it's not the hottest look in the world, but trust me, you will look hot afterwards. So now I'm going to go through and start picking out using my pick, some face frame highlights, and focus solely around the hairline. So as I'm going through, I'm making sure that my pick touches the scalp, and then I'm pulling hair through really gently and really finely. The good thing about this cap is that it's guided, so you can see around your hairline to make sure that you're not going over. So now that I've isolated the hair, I've pulled out the face frame, and that's all I kind of want to color today. So now I'm going to show you how I like to apply my product and give you some tips on how you can achieve a really nice seamless blend. So I'm going to section out this and just pull this closer to the face. Because this is so secure, this really holds back the rest of the hair that you don't want to color. I'm going to get a comb, and I'm going to comb all this through, and then I'm going to lightly tease it and bring it quite close up to the roots. Don't be too rough, still be a little bit gentle, but just isolate that hair that you don't want to color by back combing it away. And I'm going to start from the ends and work my way up. So I'm massaging this product through to make sure that it's evenly distributed and that every strand gets colored, and then using the tip of my brush to blend out the roots. Now I'm using my own brush, but like I said, there is a brush that you can use that's provided for you in your own kit. And as I apply this product, I'm just using some really nice sweeping motions to really blend out that color to make sure that there's no lumps. So now we have Emma back, and as you can see, her blonde is a lot brighter and definitely a lot more lived in. Now, for some added drama, I did add in a few extra highlights quite close to the root just for that extra pop. But like I said, this can definitely still be achieved at home. Emma, do you think you could still achieve something like this at home?
Yeah, I love it.
Perfect.